Good afternoon here in South Texas. Messing around with some APUs from trucks. And I came across one. It's like that one there. It's an 18 horsepower, 2-cylinder diesel. Burns about a gallon of diesel about every 5 hours. And it's this brand right here. That's the brand. It's got a 6,000 watt generator, 120. It's not a split phase, it's only a 120 volt. And I've been working on this one all morning, trying to figure it out, how does it work, how to make it pull, start, and run. Okay? And I figured out all these wires already. It's got a purple one. There's a fuel pump. And give me a second, let me hook it up and I'll start it up. This green one is the coil hold, this is the coil pull. You click it and it pulls the coil. And this white one is a starter. And I got a blue one. There's a fan, but I'm not worried about it right now. It gives you 115 AC. And if you crank it up a little bit, bring it up to 135 if you do it too much. But I've been running it all morning, 1 gallon of diesel. And yeah, that even weighs 3/4. It works nice. I'm gonna fix the other one for me. This one's gonna be for a friend of mine. And it's gonna be a backup. But they run them on trucks every night. And some people run them 3, 5, 6 days a night. So we're gonna see how they work. I'll keep you guys posted.